Want more privacy on TikTok? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off your activity status in under a minute. Activity status lets people you follow and message see when you were last active on TikTok. If you share a device, want fewer interruptions, or just value privacy, it's smart to turn this off. Good news, changing this setting only takes a few taps. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Make sure you're logged into TikTok on your phone, and turn your screen sideways for the best view. Ready? Let's open TikTok and turn off your activity status. Step 1. Open TikTok and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. On your profile page, tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Step 3. Tap Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and choose Privacy. Step 4. In Privacy, look for Activity Status and tap it to open the setting. Step 5. Turn off the toggle next to Activity Status so it's gray instead of green or blue. That's it. Your activity status is now off, and people you follow and message can't see when you're active. Enjoy a little extra privacy on TikTok.